So today we're going to be unboxing the Overland Vehicle Systems tent, the TMBK3 rooftop tent. And all I've done so far is snap off these straps. So let's see, hopefully this can just come off. So we got it all unboxed, unwrapped. Not sure how this all goes, but I don't know what all this pre-wrap is or something, but it looks pretty solid. Those are the hinges, those are the strap. So it must just unfold out this way. Let's see if we can unfold it. Looks great, looks sturdy. Let's open her up. I think all the parts are here. Come on, dude. Oh, super cozy bed. Total upgrade from the truck bed tent. Got the ladder. I guess it's not a telescopic ladder like most rooftop tents, but you know, I'm coming from a truck bed tent, so I'm not going to complain. Looks like these are the tracks that go on the bottom of the tent. Probably the shoe bag. Maybe we'll just leave that in there. Here's the cover. Definitely important. Alright, looks super cool. Looks like the cat likes it too. Up in. So here's the last stuff to unwrap. I believe these are all the tent poles. This is all the hardware. This looks crazy. I am going to organize this somehow. Looks like they gave you all the wrenches you need, but yeah, let's organize this. Here's the brackets. The brackets don't look too heavy duty, so I am going to watch. There's a couple install videos on YouTube, and hopefully that explains a lot of what's going on here. Let's see these tent poles. Kind of in a rush because I'm supposed to go. Oh, that's cool. So those are the awning rain fly tent poles. What's in the bottom here? Nothing. So we don't need to worry about that right now. if we have time, we can do all that. Right now, let's figure out what to do with all this hardware. So there's my rooftop tent. I got the rails on, and my truck is getting packed. So, the long awaited rooftop tent area. Sleeping bag, pillow, nighttime clothes, backpack. And tomorrow I'll show you the lake view that I will open up to. But this looks super cool. This mattress, so comfortable. I'm excited. A lot better than the truck bed tent. Here is the beautiful lake and the sun coming up. Wow, cool shot. Which means it's probably gonna get